Hey guys, welcome back. This is Jenny from Polly's Paper Studio, and today I have a haul. This is going to be my design team allotment from Gypsy Soul laser cuts. I've had this on my desk for about 3 weeks now, and I wanted to do a video so I could share with you all the fun things, but there was just a lot going on, and so now I have time, and it's very exciting because there are some old favorites in here. I love them, and new designs as well, so that's very fun to get new chipboard pieces to work with. So I'm going to start with my favorite category being frames. You guys know that by now. I'm just going to quickly go through these and read to you the names. So this is Flourished Frame Sienna, Circle Frame Tracy, this one is new, Flourished Frame Laurel, Flourish Frame Elizabeth, Deco Frame. This is a 6-inch. It's nice because you get a smaller one also, so there's 2 in here. Flourished Frame Marie, Flourished Frame Marigold. This one is most like a doily, so that is really pretty behind a vintage image. This one has no label. Oh, yep, here it is. Flourished Frame Valerie in a rectangle. Flourished Frame Valerie in a square. Doily Flower Frame. This one is new. It is gorgeous. Look how beautiful those flowers are. For the chipboard that are intricate like these, I'll usually finish them with some embossing powder and heat set them, so that I don't get paint into the little fine details. This one doesn't have a label, unfortunately, but I've used it before and I can't think of the name right off the top of my head. This one is really cute. Reminds me of a clock. This is the Floral Lace Panel. I do remember the name of that one. This is going to fit actually on a 6-inch card. So if you're thinking that you're a card maker and this is big, it really does fit, I promise. These are filigree framed, and I have already taken at least one out of here to use. And so these are a variety pack. There's quite a few in there. And this one is Flourished Frame Cindy. How cute is that? That would be very nice on a tag. Okay, so I've also got some corners here. Petal corners are great for card makers as well, and she's got 2 of those for me in there. Gina is always very generous. Art Deco corners, so a similar plan, but they're a little bit more intricate and then a little bit larger. Here are star medallions, and there's quite a few in here as well, so that is a good value. This one is new-ish, Henna Doodle 2. It is beautiful. And this one I've had and used up many times already. This is Henna Doodle 1. So that one is really pretty. Okay, on to some new items that I've not seen. They may not be new to the shop, but I haven't found them. So this is a crate. How fun is that? I'm definitely going to be filling this with some Christmas tags. And a tiny matchbox skyline. Hello, can we say Christmas Village? Yeah, that is so cute. Okay, speaking of Christmas, got some here. These, I used one obviously in my last Christmas card. Snowy Flourish is so gorgeous. I finished the center with flat white acrylic paint, and then I added some stickles and glitter to the snowflakes, and it was just dreamy. Here is the Snow Fun. Has a sled and an ice skate set and mittens and snowflakes and a nice large sentiment. Here's Let It Snow. Perfect for a card. Look how nice that would fill in. And lots of smaller snowflakes here, and then a border strip of snowflakes on the bottom. That's really nice. This one is new also, Flourished Snowflake Border. Oh, it's so pretty. Snowy Friends. I've had this one before, so it has a penguin and a snowman, and you can add the top hat and the scarf and the belly on the penguin. That's really cute. Here are the Snowflakes Mini. I love these. They go on all my Christmas cards. And you get quite a few. That's a good value. And this one I don't think is meant to be Christmas, but that's how I'm going to use it. So this is the star garland. That's really pretty. There's quite a bit in there. You can isolate the different pieces, so that's going to go a long way. Here are the snowflakes again, but in the larger size. There's a lot in that pack. Look at all that. This is the second time I'm making this video because the cats are misbehaving. One of them is chewing on the backpack strap and the other one is having a hairball, but you know, we just got to keep working through it. Christmas tree words. These are new and I am so in love with them. It may not be as easy to see because some of the parts aren't punched out all the way, but it's a tree with a beautiful sentiment in a very scripty font with a star on top. That is gorgeous. And that will fit, I'm sure, on a 6x6 card just perfectly, and maybe a 5x6.5 too. That would be really nice. I got a couple pieces left of the Halloween supplies that she sent me, but I did have to get into these to get my projects done for October, so some of it is missing. Haunted house set, very cute graphic, like blocky house shapes. That one is fun. Here are some legs and a cauldron and a hat to layer up. Here is some little witches. Those would be really cute on a tag. And this one I put in Halloween, but maybe it's fall. Pretty pumpkins. That's a nice outline border. You could really add printed paper behind that and make it a really very nice dimensional element. Okay, couple last things and then we're done. These are artist trading coins. I don't trade, mostly because I just don't have room to store a lot of finished things. My room is very small. So unfortunately I can only keep around some of the treasured items that my bestest friends have sent to me. But I know I can think of something to do with these. So there is quite a few in here and they're very chunky. So if you do artist trading coins, these are a great base. But I'm gonna challenge myself to think of a different use for them. And here's just the last couple sentiments. The good life, which of course we should all be so lucky. That would be nice sentiment on a card. And then fall word set, perfect timing for this because obviously we're changing seasons here. We're in mid-Michigan, so we're getting the color of the leaves are changing and it's getting a little brisk out and we've got lots of cider and pumpkins and that type of thing. So I'm going to really enjoy having and using this one. Okay, so that is it for my haul from Gypsy Soul Laser Cuts. If you enjoyed this video, give me a like, leave me a comment, you can share it. If you're not already, I would love for you to subscribe. I'm going to leave a link in the description to Gina's shop. That's Gypsy Soul Laser Cuts. And as always, I'm wishing you a happy and productive day, and I thank you so much for watching. Bye!